Hey y'all, today we're just outside of Meridian, Mississippi in Enterprise at a little park called Dunn's Falls Waterpark. It's called the Waterpark because it sits on the Chunky River and has a 65-foot waterfall. Here in the front they have a pond that you can fish on. They have fish food if you just want to feed them. It's like $1.25 a bag. You can pay $2 and get a fishing permit, and if you catch bass or brim, there's no charge for that, no additional charge. And then the catfish caught is like $2 per pound. And they also have a little paddle boat that you can rent. Now what we're walking into here is a grist mill that was originally built in 1857, and it was moved here from Cave Springs, Georgia in 1987 and reconstructed on the site of Dunn's original mill. You're not into that, huh? Okay, come on, we'll walk. Come on, go this way. Come here, Mama, hold you. So this is the way to the waterfall. We'll go down these steps here. They are very steep and they're also very narrow. So if you have large feet like me or larger than mine, you're kind of going to have to walk sideways down them. So definitely be careful on these. The host up front told me that there's usually a lot more water than this here, and you can swim here if you're brave enough to walk out on these rocks. I'm way too clumsy for that, so I'm not doing that, although it's hot enough. See what I mean? Good girl. Good girl. Your Mama hold you during this one. Come on. Mama, come on. I got you. I got you. Come on. We just came right here. Now we'll take this trail. Hopefully this is the trail. And walk around the back of the falls. Let's go see. Hopefully we don't get eat up by mosquitoes in here. Okay, Allie, come on, we'll go try it. Oh, okay, that was a spider web. Yeah. Okay, so according to the map, this trail will take us around to the other side to have a view of the waterfall from the other side, which is pretty cool. Now, if we had taken the trail closer to the pond up there, that's where she said the primitive area is, where you can actually tent camp. And there were also some picnic tables and I believe some grills up there. You doing okay, girl? You do okay? Okay, there are mosquitoes all over me. Come on. Oh, Lord, just killed 2 of them. Come on. Yep. Oh. That ain't happening. Okay. Nope, not gonna do that. Come on. Good gracious. We're gonna get the West Nile trying to get out of here. Come on. Okay. That'll do it for that. Come on. Come on. Pretty sure there's a whole lot more to explore, but I'm not gonna get ate up by mosquitoes to do it. It is the first day of fall, September 22nd, and it's still 95 degrees. So, we are not going that way. Ow. 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 Nope. Come on, Allie. That'll do it. That'll do it. Still getting me. Lord. Okay. Yep. Needless to say, I recommend you come and do this in the winter months. If you can brave the mosquitoes in the summertime, they have this little cabin down here to rent. I think it is $90 a night, and it's really cute. And maybe the mosquitoes aren't bad in there. They're pretty bad everywhere else. They also have a restroom up here, and she does have mosquito spray available that she offered me before I walked in, but it was so hot I didn't want to bother with getting it on me, but yeah, it's too much for me here, so. Entry fee to the park is $3.25 for adults and $2.25 a child. Don't forget to sign the register and let them know that you were here, and thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully the next time I come through, I'll be able to walk all the way around and see what the other side looks like.